There's consistent interest from overseas investors to access the Indian market. So what we've been doing over the last few years is talking to regulators here to see if we can ease conditions for investors. Challenges, I think, have been of a regulatory nature, but the Sahu Committee report is very progressive in its recommendations if the recommendations are taken on board as they are designed in the report.
What would be the kind of, say, investments that potentially India could open up, say, from a short to mid-term perspective, assuming that next 3 months, as the Finance Ministry official was saying, the regulations are out?
Yeah, so I think there's a big opportunity. I think that for us it's interesting speaking to our clients and other Indian corporates that they're actually raising the issue of non-capital raising depository receipts with us before we have a chance to. The opportunity, I think we're being quite conservative in speculating that it's at least $1 billion, perhaps in the next 6 months to a year plus.
Now all of a sudden we are seeing Indian markets are once again touching new highs on a daily basis, if I could say that. Where do you see the Indian economy at large, and how do you see the sentiments, although many say have changed, but still fundamentally things need to change? How are you looking at when it comes to the macro picture?
I think the answer might be in your question. Certainly investors that we've spoken to subsequent to the Sahu Committee's report, certainly there's a lot of interest in India. You've seen $13 billion of FII inflows into India to date. I think we foresee that continuing. The Sahu Committee report comes out at a great time for the Indian markets.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.